Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to build your own LED sign on our website. So if you're shopping for a digital sign and you're trying to get pricing, all you have to do is visit our website at ledsigncity.com. Go ahead and select that build your own sign tab. Once you're here, you'll have some information about the different options for LED signs and which options would be good for your specific application. So to get started, just go ahead and enter the height and width of the sign that you want to build. We can build it as high as small as 1 foot tall, up to 28 feet tall, and as starting at 1 foot wide, all the way up to 40 feet wide. So some of the most popular sizes are like 3 foot by 6 foot, for example. Then we'll hit that get started option. Once you hit that get started option, you should see the diagram here to represent the dimensions of the sign that you want to build. For example, in this case, it's 3 feet by 6 feet. But since the modules are 12.6 inches by 12.6 inches, then the overall dimensions become 37.8 inches by 75.6 inches. So if this is correct, go ahead and select next. If this is incorrect, then go ahead and hit back. It will take you to the previous screen so that you can enter the new dimensions that you want to build. All right, so to continue, we'll go ahead and select next. Once we're here, we'll have three options to select in order to customize our screen. We can choose the different resolution options starting from a spotlight series, which is the same as like a P10 millimeter, a P8, or a P6. If you don't know the difference between the three, the P10 refers to P10 millimeters, and that 10 millimeters refers to the distance between each pixel. So to put that in perspective, our module sizes again are 12.6 inches by 12.6 inches, which works out to be 320 millimeters. So you divide that by 10, you get a pixel count of 32 pixels by 32 pixels. So in a 10 mil, you have 1024 pixels by 32 by 32, so you have a total of 1024 pixels. That's awesome for showing pictures, videos, text. So basically, from 100 feet away, that's going to be a superb looking screen. The P8 turns that up just a little bit. This one has 8 millimeters between the pixels, so that resolution is 40 pixels by 40 pixels. So in that module, we're going to have a total of 1600 pixels. So now your pixels are closer and closer together, so your picture quality is going to be even greater. And now you can also have more information, more detail on your screen without it starting to look cluttered. The P6 basically turns that up a notch. Now we have 48 pixels by 48 pixels for a total of about 2302 in that 2304 in that actual module. Uh, Now we go up to the brightness as a selection. So for the brightness, there are two options you can choose from. We've got the up to 8500 nits, and there's a table if you scroll down that tells you what the actual brightness for each sign is. So for the P6, we can see its brightness from 7000 nits for the standard and 8000 nits for the high brightness, 7500 nits for the P8 and 8500 nits for the high brightness version, and for the P10 we can get up to 10,000 nits on that model. So going back up, so once you confirm the brightness option that works for you um, the for most cases the 8500 nits is going to be the standard brightness is more than enough. But for instances where your sign will be in direct sunlight, then you may want to have that extra brightness from 15% up to 25% higher brightness. Now we can select your visibility, whether the sign is going to be a single-sided or a double-sided sign. So if you're targeting traffic going both ways, then you need a double-sided sign. If this is only visible to one specific audience going in one direction, then you may just need a single-sided sign. Here you can choose your quantities, and then the price would be listed right here. Um, I'm logged in, so I can see the price, but in order for you to get your price, you'd have to set up your own personal account. And depending on whether you're a first-time customer, a reseller, or a frequent customer, where you have multiple stores and get signs for each of your stores, then your specific pricing would be listed here. If everything's good and you just want to purchase the sign, you don't need us for install, then you can go ahead and hit that add to cart option and you can check out. If you're interested in financing, it'll give you an option to apply for financing. And if approved, you can continue your checkout right there based on those terms. If you need an installation quote, then there's also an option here where you can select installation quote. And then that should keep all your selections that you made previously. And then now you can select if it's an existing or is this a new sign altogether. You can say, yes, you do need that installation quote, so we'll keep that checked. And then here you continue to select the type of install that you're interested in. And then you go ahead and put your information in, and then we'll call you back. We'll look at the details, we'll contact you, and we'll get you a quote for your sign plus the installation as well. So again, to build your own sign, just go to our website, ledsigncity.com. Click on that build your own sign tab, select the dimensions of the sign you want to build, verify the dimensions are correct, and then if all that's okay, then we'll go ahead and hit next. Then you can actually go ahead and select the options that you need for your LED sign. All right, awesome. Have any more questions, feel free to give us a call at 866-343-4011, or you can send us an email to info@ledsigncity.com. Thanks.